Hare Krishna, welcoming everyone to Govardhan Eco Village. Today we take you to Keshi Ghat at the banks of the river Yamuna. Shri Yamuna Devi, the transcendental river, forms an inseparable part of Lord Krishna's sweet divine Vrindavan pastimes. Yamuna is 100 times more sacred than the Ganga. Yamuna is so exceptional because she is especially dear to Lord Krishna. She assists Lord Krishna in his pastimes in Mathura, Gokul, Vrindavan, and Dwarka. She originates from the lotus feet of Krishna and distributes the honey of intimate devotion to Krishna wherever she flows. Anyone who takes her shelter is at once blessed with relief from material distress and nourished with spiritual satisfaction. Krishna in Golok Vrindavan request Radharani to come down with him to the earthly planet. Radharani says, "Unless there is Govardhan and Yamuna, I shall not come." Krishna assures her that Govardhan and Yamuna are already there on the earth to arrange for the divine pastimes of Radha and Krishna. That is the glory of Yamuna and Govardhan. In Braj, they call Yamuna as liquid love for Krishna and Govardhan as solid love for Krishna. At the Govardhan School of Yoga, every day we do Surya Namaskar, sun salutations, and Yamuna is considered the daughter of the sun god. Every evening at 6:20 p.m., the community of devotees, monks, guests, yoga students gather to perform a beautiful ceremony at Keshi Ghat on the banks of the Yamuna. There is a diorama of goddess Yamuna whom we worship. During the Aarti, the banks of the Yamuna is beautifully decorated with many diyas. The fishes in Yamuna dance in circles, and suddenly, as a special attraction, one jumps into the sky. This is the favorite of the guests who come here. All guests are singing the Aarti with one voice, one heart. All the tiredness of the day vanishes and refreshes you with this beautiful experience at Keshi Ghat. In the morning, devotees, guests choose different locations for meditation along the banks of the Yamuna. Right from Yamunotri, where the Yamuna originates, to the Chhatris, Ghats, sitting places and grooves along the banks. The soothing sound of the waters of the Yamuna add to the spiritually surcharged atmosphere here. Krishna performs pastimes at Yamuna. The cowherd boys would sit in circles and have their tiffin at Yamuna. One of the gopis' favorite places for meeting Krishna is in the grooves at the bank of the Yamuna. Krishna and his friends with their cows loiter on the banks of the Yamuna and sport. They eat, dance, play, and spend an entire day there having pleasurable pastimes. In the Matsya Purana, it is stated, one becomes virtuous if he takes a bath in the Yamuna, drinks the pure water of the Yamuna, and sings her glories. Even the Archana of Yamuna gives auspicious results. One who takes bath in Yamuna or drinks her water guarantees auspiciousness for 7 generations of his family. Whoever dies on the banks of the Yamuna attains the eternal abode. We welcome you to experience the peace and tranquility and soak yourselves in the spiritually surcharged atmosphere every evening at Keshi Ghat, Yamuna. Hare Krishna.